We've got some drama in the Warriors-Rockets series. Andre Iguodala, he's listed as doubtful for Game 4. He's dealing with a sore knee or bruised knee. The good news for Warriors fans, he had an x-ray and there's no damage. But he's listed as day-to-day. They don't think he's going to be able to play in Game 4, and that is huge. Because if he's not playing, that means the Warriors can't pull out that death lineup, that Hamptons 5 lineup. That is just a disaster for all teams around the league. With him not playing, if he doesn't play, the Rockets got to take advantage. They got to win Game 4. They got to tie this series at 2-2. They can still advance to the finals if they win Game 4. If they go down 3-1, I don't think they're going to be able to make that epic comeback. There's no LeBron James on the Rockets, so I don't see them being able to do that to make history to get to the finals. And really, there's no excuse. Even if Iggy does play in Game 4, he's going to be coming off of that slight injury, so he's not going to be quite himself. You got to take advantage of that. You got to run some whoever offense on Iggy, make him use that knee. You never know. Maybe you wear down that knee and then he's got to miss another game. Or maybe in the NBA Finals, maybe his knee, he's having some trouble. He misses a game there. Rockets can't give up. They got to be a bunch of savages in Game 4. They got to go for it. It's win or go home. It's Game 7 in Game 4. They got to win this. Warriors fans, are you worried if Iggy doesn't play in Game 4? Let me know in the comment section. Is that guy alive? Yes, he is. See, you never know when they're alive or when they're not, but it doesn't matter. There's only one of them. If there's only one, you're done. It's like when I stun, you're done. Look, you're stunned. Rip them to shreds. So I can't go forward until we find this chest. I actually